So I really want to go back to the gym. Like I'm a runner, and I supplement my running by going to Orange Theory. And I haven't been since March 12th of 2020. And I desperately want to go back. And so when I got my first vaccination, and for the last 3 weeks, as I've been waiting to get my second one, I've been like in my mind, like turning over, can I go back? Like when I get that second one, and I'm going to wait 2 weeks, because that's what they say you need to wait after your second injection to be fully immune. And then 2 weeks passes. Am I okay to go back to the gym? And I've come to the conclusion that the answer is no. And the answer is no because, masks protect mostly other people. When I wear my mask, I'm protecting you or whoever else is in the room. The vaccine protects me. The vaccine that went into this deltoid protects me and me alone. We don't know at this point whether that vaccine prevents me from sneezing out virus if I happen to have the virus in my nose. It probably lessens the risk that I pass it to others, but it doesn't make it zero. So the fact that I'm protected, but that you, for example, haven't had the opportunity to get the vaccine, means that for me to assume, having had the vaccine, that I can go and live life normally isn't fair, because I could still be a vector of this disease. So I will continue to wear a mask and distance until the hospitals are calm down, until caseloads are much more manageable, and until most or all of the population has at the very least had the opportunity to have the vaccine. Once those things are achieved, then I will feel comfortable in going back to pretty much life as usual. For now, I'm stuck with just knowing that I'm protected. And, I think it's probably reasonable. Like, in other words, my colleagues that I had the meeting with this morning, now that we're all vaccinated, for us to get together in a group and socialize in a way that we haven't in almost a year, I think is okay. Not in public, but in private. Like if we did it at someone's house, I think that's okay if everyone's vaccinated. Same thing with my parents, right? I'm now vaccinated. My wife is vaccinated. My folks are not. Well, my dad has it at his first one. My mom signed up. They live in Ohio. But until my parents are vaccinated, I'm not going to go and hug my mom and have dinner with them. And I haven't done that for 10 months. Once they're vaccinated, I will feel comfortable in doing that. We live in this really complex kind of limbo time where some of us have gotten this blessing of the vaccine, but most haven't. And so we need to continue to live as we have for the last 10 months until things calm down and everyone gets a chance to have the vaccine.